He was despised and rejected by mankind, a man of suffering and familiar with pain. Like one from whom people hide their faces, he was despised, and we held him in low esteem. For even the Son of Man didn't come to be served, but to serve, and to give his life as a ransom for many. For he was cut off from the land of the living. For the transgression of my people he was punished. He was assigned a grave with the wicked, and with the rich in his death, though he had done no violence, nor was any deceit in his mouth. But he was pierced for our transgressions, he was crushed for our iniquities. The punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed. When he had received the drink, Jesus said, "It is finished." With that, he bowed his head and gave up his spirit. I am the resurrection and the life. The one who believes in me will live, even though they die. And whoever lives by believing in me will never die. He is not here. He is living. Remember how he told you while he was still with you in Galilee?